The number one thing that nearly every successful online entrepreneur has going for them is that they have an email list. This is a list of subscribers that opted in to receive more information from you, to gain access to free training, or people that bought something from you. At one point or another, we have all made our way to an email list. From the largest online retailers to the solopreneurs running a business from their living room, email marketing is still the number one way to engage and follow up with your audience. Social media has definitely changed the game a little bit, but email marketing is here to stay. What has changed is how people access their emails. So, don't let anyone try to fool you into thinking that email marketing is dead. In fact, some companies, even major ones, credit over 75% of their sales directly to email marketing. If you have an email list and you create a product, have a coaching program, service, physical product, or webinar you want to tell people about, then you just send an email to your list for instant results. No more waiting for your paid ads to get approved or relying on affiliates to mail for you. Paid advertising and affiliates are a tremendous way to get traffic, but having your own email list is even better. That is why over the next 30 days I want to teach you the same steps used by the experts to build an email list that pays you repeatedly. With 30 days to a bigger list, you are well on your way to winning big online, and building that asset you need to help keep your income consistent. There has been one constant in the marketing world, and that is email. You must have an email list if you want to make it. Instead of breaking this into chapters like a normal book, I will just make each day of the process its own section so you can easily follow along. Some steps may feel as if they repeat themselves, and that is simply because you need to be consistent with your traffic generation efforts. Each section will have unique content and things to do for that day. Just note that sometimes you may be doing the same strategy. Also, feel free to work faster on the steps. I am designing this so each step takes a few hours each day. Some may take less work, and others a little more. The idea is that you keep your eye on the prize and stay consistent. For example, if you already have an email list going, but want to use this ebook to add more subscribers, then you could just skim days 1 through 4, and jump right into the traffic section on day 5. Please try to read each section though, as I provide valuable insights that will help you along the way. Further, keep in mind that this guide is intended for any type of online business. Whether you are a local brick-and-mortar business, an e-commerce shop, an info marketer, an affiliate marketer, an Amazon Kindle author, a CPA, or even a hairstylist, this can help you get more customers and more business, which at the end of the day is why we are all in business for ourselves. Remember, that consistency counts. Don't get discouraged if after 5 days you don't see much progress on your list building. You need to see this process through to completion, and be diligent. Apart from having an email list, the ones that succeed in this business succeed because they are consistent. It will be fun to watch your email list grow. Let's get started.